गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। शुक्लांबरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। व्यासं वसिष्ठनप्तारं शक्ते पौत्रमकल्मषं पराशरात्मजं वन्दे सुखतातं तपोनिधिं। व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वैब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः। Good morning, friends. Dr. Harsha here from viSE Academy. So, a very happy Guru Poornima to you all. Guru is someone who shows us the path to knowledge. He drives away the darkness and instills wisdom in us. In the present scenario, being doctors in the community, who have achieved so far being a postgraduate, we have done our MBBS, done our postgraduate, and crossed many hurdles and exams in our life. There are many persons who have contributed for our success thus far. It might be a school teacher, your undergraduate teacher, your consultant and professor in your post graduation. And also, we learn a lot of things from our colleagues, from our juniors, from our parents, and also in our curriculum, especially. We learn things from even from our staff. How to, let us say, during our internship days, we do not know how to put a IV cannula. It might be the junior most nurse or some sister who might have helped us in acquiring that skill, or how to put a Foley catheter for that matter. So these small little things have been taught to us by many persons who have come across in our lives. So Guru Purnima is one day where we need to show some respect to our gurus who have taught us everything, who are responsible for what we are now. If possible, go and meet your guru if you are in the local place, or you can wish him good health. So, we can also become a guru when we impart whatever knowledge we are having with us. We should share with our colleagues, we should be sharing with our juniors, we should be sharing with our friends. So, what happens is you will inculcate the habit of teaching, and people who have learned from you will be grateful for their life. Happy Guru Purnima to all of you, and I wish you all a very success in your life and wish you all the best for the upcoming NEET-SS examination. Thank you and namaste.